Welcome to Ideolab. These first 7 days are going to be groundbreaking for you and your business because Ideolab is going to give you tools and automations and creations to do things you never even thought were possible. So let's make the next 7 minutes game changing for you by giving you a quick tour of what's actually possible. Because once you see this, you can't unsee it. Because let's be honest, today chatbots, they're a mess with dozens of identical chats. Things you don't understand, ideas, images, documents get buried and lost. Not to mention, AI loses context just after a few questions and it starts hallucinating. And frankly, it's exhausting. And that's why we created Ideolab. Our mission is simple: to unlock every individual's potential to create extraordinary success with AI. And we're going to do that by giving you an AI visual workspace we call a lab, and state-of-the-art access to creation tools for your social media, your ads, your infographics, slide decks, web pages, and so much more. These AI automations can literally skyrocket your success, and it all starts right here with a lab. You can create a lab from scratch, you can import a lab, or you can use one of our templates and you can remix it to make it your own. Think of a lab as your secret intelligence workspace, and each chat inside that lab is like an expert advisor, creating new ideas, new creations, and doing all the work for you. So when you create a lab, you're literally building a new world of intelligence for your success. So start at the top with our resource toolbar, where you can drag and drop YouTube videos or even upload videos, PDFs, live web links that'll import all the content on that page. You can import books and podcasts, even images, or even record your own voice notes right here inside the lab. Ideolab watches and catalogs every single word into your own private resource library, creating the AI intelligence space that actually works for you. So let me give you an example. I can literally go to the resource bar and click on the Google business tool right here in the middle. I can put any business in the world, my business or even a competitor's business, download their entire Google listing secrets, every single detail, including the last 20 reviews and also the text from the front page of their website. Then I can literally copy our secret prompt called Review Sales Angle Intelligence right here on the sidebar. So what does this prompt do? Well, let me read it. It extracts the persuasive customer experiences and insights from the reviews that can influence messaging and create new sales positioning. The final result: a breakdown of real experiences that customers have and value the most, giving you powerful messaging and angles you can use on your website, your sales pages, and marketing to attract more customers who want those exact same outcomes. Now, be honest. Have you ever thought about using your own reviews or your competitors' reviews as your next high-converting sales angle for your ads, social media, or landing page copy? In other words, your customers, listen very close, your customers are already writing your next high-converting marketing campaign and you haven't even looked at it yet. But now you can with this simple prompt. Pretty cool, huh? So I simply connect that Google business listing information and power this chat up and then paste this prompt into it, and let's look what we get. All this information you can see here, it's a goldmine of powerful sales angles being written for you by your customers with the help of Ideolab's visual workspace. So now that you've got all these new insights, you can ask it to build high converting slides or a sales deck for sales or infographic or ads, or maybe a full month's worth of social media posts that actually sound like your brand, all created by your customer reviews. Now, when you're creating this content, we call those creations. And those creations get created inside what we call a studio. And if you'll notice, your studios are completely separate from your chat. That way, nothing gets lost and it stays super organized. And inside your creation studio, you can do even more incredible things, but more on that later. So in seconds, you can see we just turned a Google listing research into an infographic to post it to our social media and share with our client or team. That's real power in your hands. That used to take hours can now be done in literally a few clicks. And the best part is, now that AI knows your business, who you are, what you do, because it's all on the canvas inside a lab connected to a chat. And the best part is now you aren't locked into just one model. As AI models get better, stronger, faster, Ideolab gets better, stronger, and faster. You can switch between the latest ChatGPT or Gemini, Claude X, or any other models inside the exact same workspace. So you can find the perfect brain to do the task at hand. Now, this is how you go from an idea, just a wild idea, to a piece of content that literally can drive traffic to your business, or an idea to actually creating a brand new profitable funnel. You can do it in minutes, not days. And to organize you even better, here's what we've done. We put a sidebar that all your creations are going to be organized in. So when you create an image or an ad or a graphic or slide deck or even a landing page inside a lab, they will also show up in your creation sidebar for super fast access. What we're really building here for you is the perfect AI advisor inside every lab. Imagine having an expert that knows your business as well as you do. One that helps you audit your website to get conversions, create new products, new sales funnel, analyze your competitors, and build your marketing strategies and content and take it to a whole nother level. Look, I believe every business is just one good decision, one great idea away from achieving extraordinary success. So jump into Ideolab right now, create your first lab, drop a resource in, connect it to a chat, and then build your first new idea, your first sales strategy or marketing content literally in minutes. Or watch another video and learn more. Either way, I'll be right here all week to make sure you're hitting your goals. So jump in, let's create something extraordinary, and I'll see you inside.